Content here. Let me show you how you can actually invite a person to join your family on Meyo. Open Meyo. Come on, Meyo, you're in. The moment you're in, you have to click the profile tab, which is in the bottom right corner. And from there, click your profile pic and then scroll up. You'll see where if you belong to a family, you'll see what says my family. Click there. Now at the bottom there is a plus icon with an avatar. Click there, and then you see the people you're intimate with. You see the people you're friends with. You can click there so you can invite your friends, and you can as well click on followers or the people that you're following. So now I'm inviting this person that who happens to be among the people I'm following. Tip. And that person will see the message from the other end, and they will click on the